I don't know about you, but I hate taking capsules, so I prefer to get my probiotics from my food. So these are my cultured pickles. You don't even have to can them officially. So I just take a jar and I add my cucumbers and my peppers from my garden. I just keep them in a little bowl till I'm ready. I've got a couple different kind of peppers. And then I also add some garlic and a few spices like pepper and some mustard seeds. And then I add them and add 2 tablespoons of salt into here. And then I let it sit for 2 weeks outside the refrigerator, and then I will put them into the fridge. I put the glass weight on there to hold everything down, and then I add these caps that I love. I have a couple different styles, but this one allows some air to escape without letting anything get inside. So why don't you try making pickles? It's one of my new favorite ways to get probiotics. Make the time.